Welcome to the online class lecture of Professors S.K. Paul, University Department, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. So, good morning, students of PG Semester 1, CC1, Unit 3. So, from today, I have started teaching the assignment Shakespeare sonnets. So I will just start today teaching you Shakespearean sonnets. So today I am going to deliver with Shakespeare's sonnet number 19 entitled Devouring Time. So Devouring Time, Shakespeare's sonnet number 19. I will also give you the general introduction to the sonnets of Shakespeare and Shakespeare as a sonneteer. So let me begin. A sonnet. A sonnet is a form. A sonnet is a form of a poem which specifically has 14 lines and a structured form. It was popularized in Italy, where it originates, hence the Italian or Petrarchal sonnet named after Petrarch due to his expert and extensive use of this form. The Elizabethan or Shakespearean sonnet is so named because it was formed and became distinct from the Italian sonnet during the Elizabethan era, and Shakespeare was its most prolific and famous user in writing about love. Shakespearean or Elizabethan sonnets, Shakespearean or Elizabethan sonnets are divided into three quatrains, 4 lines each. So a quatrain means a stanza of 4 lines and a rhyming couplet at the end with a recognizable rhythm created by the rhyme scheme and all the 5 stressed syllables per line. That is called iambic pentameter. In making use of the form of the sonnet himself, Shakespeare is credited with having penned 154 154 sonnets, with almost all of them following the Shakespearean format. Each sonnet largely presents an idea in each of the 4 line stanzas, and the rhyming couplet completes the picture. The apparent sequence which Shakespeare's sonnets follow has been the subject of much discussion and debate among critics, but the first 126 sonnets are addressed to a young man, although most of the time this is not explicitly expressed, and the latter section is about Shakespeare's relationship with a woman, with only the last 2 sonnets being adaptations of classical verse.